Okay, girls, are you ready?
Yes!
Alright.
I'm ready.
So you know why we're taking this apart?
What's that?
You know what it is?
No.
Okay, this is the battery to my Firestorm drill. It's one of the originals. I charged it overnight and it's completely dead, so we're going to take it apart and look what's inside. Okay?
Is it inside?
Yeah, we're going to see what's inside.
What's inside?
We're going to look.
I don't know.
You don't know?
It might be surprise.
They're all T9 torque screws.
Are there screws in that one?
Yeah, they're screws. They're just self-tapping plastic screws.
Are there screws?
Yeah, they're screws.
Screws?
You want to see the screw? Here.
Look at the screw. Very long. I have a screw.
Give it this one.
Two screws like this. Lisa. See? See, Alyssa? Look here. It has
Alyssa.
sides.
Alyssa, para see.
You put it down in your side. Put it down right there. Thank you. I want the other screw. Yes. See how they are?
Mm-hmm.
See how they are? Get two screws.
Teka lang.
What's that?
Teka lang. That's the, here. That's the battery contact.
Oh, batteries.
Alyssa, wait. How many screws do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many is that? 1, 2, 3.
I have 3 too.
So you have 3 and Alyssa has 3.
Ah!
Alright, so look what's inside.
Wow.
So this is the clip that keeps it in the drill. And the screw. Or the spring.
Bouncy, 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 bouncy,
And
bouncy.
we've got, so that's the case. And this is just a giant pack of cells.
There's a teddy bear.
A teddy bear? That's not a teddy bear.
Huh? Alyssa, can you give Audrey the screw? Thank you. I give Audrey. She gave me the screws.
She gave you the screws?
Yeah.
Good job.
That's very nice of her.
So we've got
Okay.
neutral,
Okay.
positive,
Yeah.
positive.
Positive.
So we've got one positive,
Okay.
the center positive. It's connected to the top of this battery.
Okay.
And then if we take off,
Turn the candle and give Papa a perfect.
take off the plastic wrap.
Wow, what is that? Is
Huh?
that wood?
No, that's cardboard.
Cardboard?
So the other positive
Don't
goes
I
down
touch
to the
the
bottom of
battery?
this battery.
I have the
So
dead
see-
battery.
Yeah, it's a dead battery.
It's a dead battery. It's a dead battery.
And then the neutral,
Neutral is going tomorrow. What is that sticky tape doing there?
it's so that the batteries don't short out with each other.
Oh, okay.
So we've got more tape.
More tape. Wow. What's that tape is sticky?
It's sticky tape.
Oh, that's
Okay, so the neutral goes to here, and then they're just all in series.
Okay. Let me see.
Basically,
What's that in there? What's that in there, Papa?
that's a sprinkler head. But we're looking at the battery right now. Everything's in series.
Yeah.
Positive. Look, Mommy. Look, Mommy.
Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Cool, Papa. Cool. Bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy.
So that we have neutral,
Yeah.
and then it's like a big necklace, huh?
Yes.
And
I
then
wear it.
here we have negative.
Yeah.
So positive and negative.
Yeah.
And then the negative is connected to here,
Okay.
and it also has this. You know what this is?
No.
It's a little temperature sensor.
It's a temperature.
Yeah, it's a thermal cutout.
It's a
So-
thermal cutout.
Yeah, thermal. Say thermal cutout.
Thermal cutout.
Very good.
I know how to say that.
Can you say thermal cutout?
Thermal cutout.
Do you know what it does?
Come on, cutout. I know.
Yeah.
I know.
It's a thermometer, and it's stuck down in between the battery cells,
Yeah.
so that when you're charging the battery, if it gets too hot, it shuts it off. So that, because these are lithium batteries, if they get too hot, what do?
Shut up.
They go boom.
Boom.
Yeah,
How-
they could.
How did I do that?
If they get too hot, they could start a fire.
Start a fire.
Yeah, so you have a little thermal cutout. See, one of these
A good.
comes in from the charger, Mai,
Okay.
and it goes through the thermal cutout,
Okay.
and then it comes back, and this one is the one that's connected to the battery. So if the batteries get too hot, it makes these disconnect,
And then
the battery won't catch fire. So that's what's in a battery pack for your drill. You want to have a necklace? You have a battery necklace?
I don't
What
know.
about Alice have a battery necklace? And what are we going to do with these? Are we going to recycle them?
Yeah! I'm
Good
gonna
job.
put it in a recycle.
Okay, say bye, girls.
Bye, girl.
Thank you for your help.